गुलबर्गा शहर में स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया कलबुर्गी की जानिब से क्रेडिट आउटरीच प्रोग्राम मुनक़िद हुआ। एनवी सोसाइटी संगमेश्वर ऑडिटोरियम ब्रह्मपुर में। इस मौके पर मेहमान खुसूसी श्री डॉक्टर उमेश यादव MP कलबुर्गी, डॉक्टर दिलेश सासी चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर ZP कलबुर्गी, श्री S राधाकृष्णन जनरल मैनेजर SBI LHO बेंगलुरु, श्री जोबी जोश डिप्टी जनरल मैनेजर AO2 कलबुर्गी, श्री रमेश भट्ट, श्री इंतसार हुसैन ने इसके अलावा दीगर बैंक्स के ऑफिशियल्स मौजूद थे। आए हुए सारे कस्टमर्स को चेक्स के ज़रिए लोन सैंक्शन किया गया और न्यू स्कीम्स के बारे में बताया गया। मज़ीद जानकारी के लिए आइए देखते हैं गुलबर्गा न्यूज़।
आज कस्टमर आउटरीच प्रोग्राम जो हमारे सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के और प्राइवेट बैंक वाले पूरे आए हुए हैं, यहाँ पे हर लोगों को लोन देने का, एक लोन जो लिए उनको चेक देने का और स्कीम के बारे में पब्लिसिटी देने का कार्यक्रम था। बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम है। अगर ये सक्सेसफुल हुआ, 100% इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ तो पूरा हमारा यहाँ पे 50% यहाँ का हमारे लोगों का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा।
सरकार की स्कीम लोगों को, आम लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रही, तो
उसके लिए समझाने, अभी तो कोरोना था, 2 साल कोरोना था। अब हम इनको बराबर लोगों को समझाएंगे। लोग भी इसको समझना कोशिश करना चाहिए, लोग भी दिलचस्पी दिखाना चाहिए। हम वो एक कदम आ गए तो हम 10 कदम आगे आके उनको समझाते हैं।
तो सरकार की तरफ से और कौन से नए स्कीम्स लॉन्च किए हैं?
अभी हो रहे हैं अभी नए स्कीम। अभी कल परसों ही हमारे आत्मनिर्भर भारत का ये हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का 65,000 करोड़ का स्कीम ओपन किए। गति शक्ति प्रोग्राम स्कीम लॉन्च किया है और उससे और ई-श्रम पोर्टल ओपन किया है। हर वीक एक प्रोग्राम होते रहे। बहुत अच्छे स्कीम है, लोगों तक पहुँचना चाहिए।
सर एज ए MP आप गुलबर्गा में क्या डेवलपमेंट का प्रोग्राम बनाए हैं आने वाले?
अभी डेवलपमेंट अभी छोटा मोटा डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है। कोरोना में हम 2-2.5 साल उसमें दबे हुए थे, अब निकल रहे हैं। अभी बहुत कुछ करना इरादा है। अब रिंग रोड का प्रोसेस चल रहा है, यहाँ पे टेक्सटाइल पार्क का भी मूवमेंट चल रहा है और हमारे जो CCI कुरकुंटा जो बंद हुआ था उसके बारे में काम कर रहे हैं। और जो हम ये 3 तो इमीडिएटली हमारे सोच में है।
कलबुर्गी की जनता उमेश यादव साहब बहुत दूर चले गए MP होने के बाद बोल के शिकायत कर रहे हैं।
कोई शिकायत नहीं करते हैं। ये शिकायत झूठ है। सबसे नज़दीक में हो, सबके दिल में हो, मेरे साथ आओ। मेरे साथ कितने लोग हैं? बड़े लोग दूर हो गए होंगे, लेकिन छोटे ज़मीन से जुड़े हुए लोग मेरे साथ हैं।
सर वो पेट्रोल और डीजल के चलते BJP सरकार को कई लोग ये कर रहे हैं, तो इसके आप भी
देखो, ये नेशनल पॉलिसी है। इसके बारे में टेम्पररी ज़्यादा होता है, फिर आगे सेटराइट होता है, सब ठीक होता है।
थैंक यू।
Today we have conducted the credit outreach program, which is a brainchild of our Honorable Prime Minister and the Finance Minister. Today's the program has been inaugurated by our Honorable Member of Parliament here in Kalburgi district. This is a really, an outreach where bankers are required to reach out to the customers. I presume, I hope and I wish that from today onwards, the banks, all branches, not only in State Bank of India but in all our banks, that we will reach out to the customers and we will play a very active role to make the life of common man in this district more productive, and we will support every economic activity of the customers of the bank, non-customers of the bank, and we will make sure that all the government sponsored schemes are taken in the right spirit, and the beneficiaries are really benefited by the program. And we need to make sure that this credit outreach program makes a beginning to make sure that the customers who come to the branch always feel respected and feel that their visit has resulted in the required benefit to them. Thank you very much.
So many schemes are there.
Yeah.
So the general people, the schemes are not reaching.
Yeah. So today during this credit outreach program, our Honorable Member of Parliament sir has told that we need to have another program, another meeting where we will be involving the Chamber of Commerce, we will be involving the Indian Medical Association, we will be also involving the DIC and other government departments as well as social NGOs for actually spreading the message regarding each of the schemes which is available in the banks. So this in fact MP sir has said that within another 10 days or 15 days we will have another round of discussion with all the banks to take forward this initiative of the government. How do we make sure that the customers, the public are actually aware of all the schemes that the government wants them to get benefited with. So that is it.
So the poor people, they don't have any surety like that. So something.
Yeah, actually there are, see in fact most of the government sponsored schemes do not require a surety, or it does not require a collateral security. Collateral security is what is, the house is to be given, things like that. And also for business purposes, that is for any industry, for SME, we can go for a scheme called CGT MSC. The CGT MSC provides insurance for the loan. That means if there is a default, the insurance company will pay. That's a Government of India insurance only, and that loan also we can go up to 2 crores. So that is a wonderful. Of course, there is a small premium to be paid that the customer has to pay. That is that we can debit the loan account itself. So that is a wonderful scheme that is available. But many customers may not be even aware that there such a scheme is available. So this is one initiative. Now we can take it forward to make sure that anybody who has an idea to make an economic progress is not denied a loan just because he doesn't have a collateral security. So these things we can really take it forward to the customers.
In the future also you can now change has to be done at the bank as well. Customers will go to window, so many problems they are facing. So for the benefit of customers, so something new program you have made.
So this is actually one this credit outreach program that I call it as a reaching out to the customers program. That is the reason. See, we need to have multiple times a customer has to visit the branches. Multiple times the customer has to visit the branches. So there are two aspects to that. One is that if you see any public sector bank, it has lot of crowd. So we can't differentiate. As a public sector bank, whether you are a rich person, a poor person, or a middle class person, we have to treat it same. So what happens? There is a huge crowd. So automatically, when there is a crowd, there is a delay happens. So for this purpose only, bank has also now started this CSPs. There are many CSPs. So basic banking services are provided by this customer service points. So we have banking correspondents for doing that. So we can promote that more. So that the actual business, what is customer requires, the business is not the bank's business, not taking deposit. I'm saying that the business that a customer requires. The customer has a business idea, he has an idea for, say, making a product or providing a service. India is mostly a service industry, service country. So for that kind of thing, if the customer requires a credit facility, because this is a credit outreach program, so obviously, the moment a person comes to the branch, sir, I need 1 crore. Okay, you please take this check. That may not happen. That may not happen immediately because bank is required to do a due diligence. But there is no point in making the customer come to the bank for 6 months or 1 year for the same credit. So that is unreasonable delay. So those delays, I hope this kind of programs, Government of India has done this program in all the districts in the Karnataka. So I hope there will be a change in our mindset also, a banker's mindset. And also, once the customer is knowledgeable, customer knows what are the products available, what are the schemes available, then obviously he will demand also. So he will demand there is a scheme already available without collateral security, I can get this loan. So that also will help. So this, I presume that this great initiative of the Government of India will certainly improve the service level in all the banks, not only in public sector banks, even private sector banks, because private sector banks are also part of today's meeting. I'm sure that there will be a huge improvement in our service, and that is my wish, sir, because ultimately it is the customers who pay our salary. This cloth I am wearing, it is given by the customers only. Na? Whoever is taking loan, he is giving me the interest, he is giving me service charge. Because of that only we are taking our salary. The service is provided by, my salary is given by the customers. That is not only my salary. Entire banking industry, every employee is paid by the customers. So obviously we need to remember that when the customer comes to the bank, we need to remember, every bank employee should remember it is the customers who are paying the salary. In fact, as far as government banks are concerned, as I told when I spoke also, the capital is provided by the government and by the common man of the country. So obviously they are the owners also. So to that extent, so obviously I have to treat my customers as my owner as well as the person who is providing my salary. So once we have this attitude, I am sure that the service level will automatically improve. In fact, bank is one of the few institutions where every day we get an opportunity to serve the customers, serve the people. There are many people who go work in IT company, who go to abroad, then come back to India to do the service. Here we have an opportunity to serve every day, and we are also getting paid for that. Why would I not take that opportunity to serve customers? But that is something, it has to come from the heart of the person. So it is not, we can't give a rule and say that from today onwards you should work with this attitude. The attitudinal change may take some time, but I'm sure that this initiative of the government is in the right direction to take us forward. So in due course, I wish and I hope that we will make our banks a place where customers feel welcome. So customer doesn't feel, oh, I have to go to the bank. Instead, customer feels, okay, there is a place where I can go and bank will support me. This is what we want to achieve, sir.